Hello colleagues. We are about to finish our course, and I'd like to show you the basic settings of the Zoho Analytics account. You can pay as you go in easy monthly subscriptions and cancel anytime. Zoho provides a yearly payment option as well, where you get a 20% discount. Each organization account falls under a plan. You can check your organization's plan by clicking on the settings link on the top right corner, once you log into Zoho Analytics. Your account space, rows, users, workspaces, scheduled imports, etc., depends on the plan that you have subscribed for. The number of users with whom you can share your reports and dashboards privately depends on your plan's user limit. Logo rebranding. As the Zoho Analytics account administrator, you can replace the Zoho Analytics logo appearing on the home page with your own logo using this option. You can also specify the URL of the page you want to visit when you click on the new logo. Zoho Analytics also allows you to customize the Powered by logo that appears in the footer of the report/dashboard when you embed or export the report. Logo rebranding is supported only in the Premium and Enterprise plans of Zoho Analytics. Zoho Analytics allows you to back up the data available in each of your workspace. Database backup option will back up the data from tables and SQL queries from query tables and make it available for download. The reports and dashboards are not backed up. You can use this feature if you want to have a local copy of your data. Usage notifications. In Zoho Analytics, you can configure mail notifications to monitor your account usage. A notification mail will be sent to your registered email address when the usage exceeds the configured threshold. Account notifications. The notifications feed in your Zoho Analytics account will notify you instantly on any new activities in your account. This will also enable you to access the relevant information from the notifications feed itself. You can access the notifications feed by clicking the notifications icon in the top right corner of your Zoho Analytics account. Manage email settings. The email setting allows you to manage the email configuration for the mails triggered by Zoho Analytics. You can send mails to your users using Zoho Analytics in the following scenario: emailing reports and data alert mails. Zoho Analytics allows you to track the activity of all users, administrators, shared users, and public users in your account through audit logs. You can track the following information through the audit logs. Access logs. This enables you to monitor access of all the views present in your account by users, including public users. Activity logs. This enables you to monitor the activities performed in your account by users. Manage security controls. Zoho Analytics provides a set of security options that enable you to control and manage access to your account. This includes setting up IP restrictions as well as controlling the various sharing and collaboration options being made available. Zoho Analytics is a value for money, self-service buy and analytics app. It has a low total cost of ownership and provides an immediate return on investment. Enjoy your data insights.